Welcome to Cam's World.
Hey Patrick, want to try a piece of this?
Patrick, look at that piece of bread.
Patrick.
Look at that piece of bread. Look. Wow. With
Try.
the sauce. They give you a sauce too.
Yep. It's tomato sauce service.
Let me give it a try. The sauce.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at the sauce.
Yeah?
No, it's really good.
What type of sauce is that?
It's kind of lemony, but it's like a pizza sauce,
Oh,
but with
okay.
a twist.
True. Seafood pasta for Patrick. Straight for the clam.
Having some
mussel.
Oh, it's a mussel. Oh, sorry.
having some
Oh, here's clams.
Mom's got
carbonara.
My mama is clams.
Mine is cacio e
Mama,
pepe.
clams that are clams.
Cacio e pepe. Oh, it's clam, huh? Oh, love that, don't
Look,
you?
there's a mussel and a clam. Mama, clam and mussel.
Yeah.
Oh. You're right. He knows the difference between a clam and a mussel, huh?
That's right.
Even I get confused sometimes. So, what do you got there? You've got carbonara.
Carbonara.
Spaghetti carbonara, yeah.
My always go-to pasta.
Hold on. That's it.
How is it? Oh, you haven't tried it yet? How is it, Patrick? You seem pretty happy with your mussels and clams, huh?
It's good.
Yeah?
Very good, yeah.
Is it traditional?
Very
Italian?
creamy. Yeah, very creamy, very eggy, I think.
Yeah, it's very yellow.
There's
Indicating,
clam in it.
indicating a lot of eggs. Someone's happy he's got his clam shells.
Good.
I'm
So-
gonna eat the shrimp.
It's like you're at the beach, right?
Try the pasta.
Octopus.
Let me give it a try.
There's a mussel. Not a clam. I want to eat the clams.
Okay. Glad to see you eating. You weren't feeling well the last few days. You haven't been eating so much, so.
It's good.
Want some cheese on there, Patrick? Want some Parmesan?
Wow, the clammy.
Looking for more clams? Okay. Well, just you're separating them all? Okay.
Cacio de Pepe. Cacio de
Yes.
Pepe?
Yeah. This is the name of the restaurant, so it's a signature dish, I guess. Should be amazing.
That's right. If you name your name for the restaurant like that, Cacio
Yeah.
de Pepe.
Do you want to try a squid?
We're having like a pasta night tonight.
No, do you want anyone try some clams?
It's nice.
Anyone try some clams?
Yeah, of course I want to try it.
Here.
Thank you.
Really nice pasta on a cold night in Florence. What can go wrong, right?
Thank you.
It's a good way to do it.
I think that's a squid.
It's nice. It looks like you have a worm sticking out of your mouth. It's a worm! Ew. Is that how you eat worms?